Mwandĩki mũkaru wa barabara John Mbugua na anyitĩte rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũkui na ũmenyereri barabara-inĩ Kenha maugĩte mũbango wa gwĩkĩra toro cia marĩhi barabara-inĩ nene nĩ ũgũkorwo na faida nene harĩ mũingĩ.
The government, in collaboration with road users, industry players and other stakeholders sought to explore road tolling in Kenya as a viable option for road development and maintenance, given the ever-expanding infrastructure network and shrinking finance basket.
One is to improve on the quality of service and safety enhancement. Two, act as an additional source of revenue for purposes of developing, maintaining and rehabilitating our road infrastructure. And three, to act as a congestion management mechanism through congestion pricing. The benefits that would accrue to the public: improved connectivity that will stimulate socioeconomic growth, enhanced road safety and reduced accidents, enhanced quality of life.
Mbugua augĩte nĩ moire ikinya rĩa kũingĩra matũra-inĩ kũrĩ Mũkenya na nĩ mahotete kuoya mawoni megiĩ mendekithia maya.
During the public participation exercise, the Ministry of Roads and Transport conducted extensive consultation with the stakeholders, including government players, private sector players, transport association, civil society organizations, marginalized groups, local communities, financial institutions, development partners, community leaders, and the general public.
Maugĩte ti barabara ciothe igũkorwo ikĩrĩhĩrwo nĩ atwarithia ngari, makiuga no nginyagia mambe mahure kabirũ barabara kana nĩ ikinyanĩirie ikĩro mbere ya gũtacũkia ikinya rĩa kwambĩka toro.
Basically, the policy lays the framework on how we'll select the roads. And it also lays the framework on how we'll implement tolls. So before we declare a toll road, there will be studies that will be undertaken. Not the entire network will be subject to tolling. Only select few, as I've mentioned.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Mũthoni wa Wanyeki.